stress. Joshua Limson, welcome to my house. Mabangong pa. Direk! Oh.
Ganda ng outfit.
Thank you, Direk. And thank you sa inyong lahat dahil pinaulakan niyo ang aking imbitasyon na makapiling ko kayong lahat ngayong gabi. Miss,
Yes,
thank you for helping me prepare tonight. Of course. Mga piling-piling kaibigan. Piling-piling mga alagad ng sining ng teatro. The best of the best. The cream of the crop. Top of the heap. I have something to say. It's been 37 years since I started acting in the theater. Almost 4 decades. I have seen it all, done it all, watched it all, bared it all. Pero wala akong kadala-dala. Wala akong kasawa-sawa. Because just like you, there's no other place I'd rather be but on stage. Acting, reacting, being someone else in another space, in another time. Mahirap, madugo, mapanganib. But the question is, we always come back, don't we? We do. But the real question is, what happened to Philippine theater? What happened to the theater that is derived not from fad or fashion, but from urgency and involvement? Anong nangyari? Ano na? Anyari? Nagbulag-bulagan ba tayo? Nagbingin-bingihan? Nagtanga-tangahan? Hindi ko alam kung kayo ay pagod o takot o yung pinakamasama sa lahat. Manhid. Wala na ba tayong pakiramdam? Wala na ba tayong boses? Wala na ba tayong tapang? Ang teatro ba ay ginawa lamang para sa gimikan, aliwa, pitsura? Ang teatro ay kapangyarihan. Yes, may power tayong lahat. Kat, may power ka. JC, may power ka. Joshua, may power ka. Direk, may power ka. Miss, may power ka. Dahil may talino tayo, ninanakawan na tayo ng harap-harapan. Niloloko. Inuuto-uto. Pagkatapos ang ipapalabas ninyo, kababawan. This is not the theater I know. This is not the theater I love. This is not my theater. My theater is brave. My theater is fearless. My theater has teeth. My theater fights. Yes. Hindi pa tapos. Down. Kayong lahat ay narito dahil alam ko na pare-pareho tayo. Alam ko na mabubuti kayong tao. At alam ko rin na sasamahan niyo kung gumawa ng version ko ng kahapon, ngayon, at bukas.
Ni Aurelio Tolentino?
Correct, Joshua! And you will adapt it. Make it current, make it modern, contemporary.
Yes.
You will have fun with it. At ikaw, Eminar, ikaw ang magdidirect.
Ako?
Yes, you. I believe in you. That should be enough.
Yes. That's enough!
Yes. And you, JC,
Yes.
you will play Asal Hayop, representing the traitorous Indios. Dilat na Bulag, representing Spain. And Bagong Sibol, representing America.
Multiple roles?
Yes.
Challenge
Accepted.
accepted.
Yes. And Stella Cañete Mendoza will be featuring in a gender-bending casting as Taga-Ilog, while my Beshi and Doy Ranay will be playing dual roles. Yung mga dakilang epan at sip-sip sa mga kolonyalista, sina Matanglawin at Malay natin. Bagay sa yes, yan, bakit? Oo? Miss, I'm getting goosebumps na sa cast. Yes, Miss. Miss! Ikaw ang magiging head taong bayan. Leader ka ng koro. Oo. Pero don't worry, Direk Marion will make sure na palaging angat ang blocking mo.
Blocking na?
Yes, yes! Miss, huwag kang mag-alala, Miss. Hindi po ako nag-aalala, Miss. I love it. Spoken like a true theater stalwart that you are. And I, Eugenia Domingo, ako ang inyong magiging inang bayan. Buried alive. And resurrected from the dead. Mourning yet monologuing like there's no tomorrow. Inang bayan. Mother Nation. This is mothering on a national scale.
I love it already. Where do I sign? Cass, what about me? Yes. Yes, Caps.
You will produce this. Only you can produce this. You know why?
Why?
Dahil gagawin natin ito sa barko. Sa gitna ng West Philippine Sea.
Nagawa ko na yan.
Yes, Caps, pero concert lang yun.
May problema sa concert ka?
Wala, basta you are the best person for the job! Oh my God! Nakaka-excite, di ba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda, di ba? Aminin nyo! An anti-colonial play staged in the middle of the West Philippine Sea! Oh my God! That's like hitting two world powers with just one stone!
Wait, teka. Siguro ka pa-audition tayo. Alam mo, cast of thousand siya kakabang bukas, ha?
Oo.
Kaya naman silang anim niya.
Oh my God, yes, yes! Oh my God, Direk, you're asking the right questions! Ang brilliant mo talaga, putang ina, kaya ka! Ay, galing pa! Miss, tawagin mo na ang aking mga young stunners! Tawagin mo na ang mga ugenge! Ugenge? Basta maghintay lang kayo.